by 12 PDQ by 12 T is equal to, for us, what is the breadth here? Breadth is 40 into depth is 50 here. Depth is 50. So cube here. BD cube by BD cube by 12. Then the value will become 416.67 into 10 cube mm power 4 here. Mm power 4. Mm power 4. So same, we have to calculate moment of inertia here. Moment of inertia for a given rectangular section about y-axis. So about y-axis here, Iyy equal to db cube by 12. Our formula, you can see here our formula, db cube by 12. So here db cube by 12 means here our depth is 50 and breadth is 40. So directly I am writing here 50 into 40 cube by 12. Cube by 12. So here answer will become 266.67 into 10 to the power 10 cube mm power 4. Same. So here, which is the least one? Can you tell me? Now answer, which is the least one here, IXS or IYY? Reply. Which is the least one here?
IYY, sir.
IYY. So many here condition will become the, see here, IXS is greater, no here, IXS is greater. In our condition, IXS is greater. So hence, I minimum, we have to take I minimum value 266.67. So here already in formula pi square, what is pi value? Pi value 3.14. Okay, so here already this formula, see, P equal to pi square E I minimum by L effective, means effective length. So here pi means E value, we already in problem E value they give 2 into 10 to the power 5. So here I minimum we got here least value 266.67 into 10 cube. So and here effective length, what is effective length here? They already in problem they give 2000 means 2 meter. So after calculating this, we'll get here this value as 131.60 10 cube Newton or 131.60 kilonewton. I am writing here answer. We got here PE value as 131.60 kilonewton. So next here in problem, what they told for us, determine the buckling load and the corresponding axial stress by using Euler's formula. What is the next condition here? Also calculate. Can you see here slenderness ratio? Also calculate slenderness ratio. Okay. for slenderness ratio, now say axial stress induced in the column because of Euler's crippling load. So the Euler's crippling load will be sigma equal to P by A, as stress equal to force by area. No, we know already here stress is equal to force by area. Stress is equal to force by area here. Stress equal to force by area. So what we got here, value 131 point. In Newton we are taking here 131.60. 131.60 into 10 cube. We got stress here. This one. Stress. So if we calculate this divided by what is the area for us? Right. What is the area for us? Area. Reply. 40 into
50.
40 into 50. This is the area. So directly here I am writing here 40 into 50. Okay. Here 10 cube. Can you calculate this and tell me answer? What is the answer?
65.8, sir.
65 point? You will get some 65.79. Okay. Approximately 65.79 Newton per mm square. Newton per mm square. Okay. So next, Euler's load is given by this formula. I will write here. Euler's load will be given by PE equal to P equal to, so here formula, what is the formula here? Pi square E I minimum by L effective, means effective length. So here I minimum means what? I minimum in slenderness ratio. I will write here pi square means I am directly writing 3.14. 3.14. into E I minimum. E means what? E value for us. This is the E means. Now just see here. How can we convert this formula into slenderness ratio? Here pi square E I minimum by L effective. So can we write here I minimum is equal to AK square? Can we write here I minimum is equal to AK square? Because here see in bottom K is equal to radius of gyration. So K is equal to under root I by A. Under root I by A. From this we can write here I is equal to K square A. So as we are calculating for minimum, previously we got no IXS and I by Y, we are calculating for minimum. So I minimum is equal to AK square minimum. So that's why we are writing here in the place of I minimum, we are writing AK square here. So from this formula, now what is PE? Upside చెప్పండి నాకు ఇక్కడ Euler's crippling load sigma is equal to what is here? Here. What is this? P by crippling load దగ్గర ఎంత ఉందమ్మా? Sigma equal to force by area కదా? Force by area. Sigma equal to P by A. So directly we can P ఎంత రాయొచ్చు మనం? See here. Stress means stress equal to force by area. So here we can write here P is equal to stress into area. Can we write like this? Can we write like this? Stress into area.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఈ P is equal to stress into area ఉంది కదా. So see here, can we write ఈ arrow mark కనిపిస్తుంది, arrow mark here. So P is equal to sigma C means here crippling load ki sigma C into A, and as it is our formula here pi square E I min